So this is how you can lock a chat on WhatsApp. It's actually a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is just click a button and it's going to immediately lock the chat. In order to open it, you will need to have verification, or the other people who's trying to open it would need to have verification, which would obviously only be available to you. So let's open up WhatsApp and go on ahead and go to the chat that you want to lock. Basically, hold on it, and all you have to do is just tap on lock chat. As you can see, it says, keep this chat locked and hidden. Use your Face ID to open this chat and read notifications on this device. For added privacy, lock chats will be separated from other chats. So tap on continue. As you can see, it says use Face ID to authenticate on WhatsApp. You're going to want to tap on allow. And in order to open it, all you have to do is just put your face against the screen and it's going to unlock it. So tap unlock chats because that's where it's going to be. There you go. It's looking at my face right now. And there we go. So we can now open the chat and we can now use it. It's that easy. If you want to unlock it, all you have to do, hold on it again and tap on unlock chat. And it's going to ask us for our face, and there you go. It's back here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.